Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I've finished my own sweater. I think it's nice. It fits very well. And there was a wonderful rainbow outside, so I had to go and film that. And now I'm currently working on the photography shawl. I'm at the end almost. It's a bit difficult to understand the valleys and the hills in the pattern, but I got there in the end, and I'm proud to say I'm done. I think I missed one repeat, but I'm fine. It fits me wonderful and I'm okay with it. It looks lovely. I will show you a detail next. Here's the detail of the hills and the valleys. Lovely, isn't it? Look at my cat, she's looking so majestical. And here I'm working on a photography scarf. I've adjusted the pattern and I'm trying to make a scarf this time. So I am clicking away at it. It will take a long time, I guess. And here's my whip list as far as it goes right now. Just 3 things. Very proud of myself. See you next week.